System errors causing the MathNet Numerics Library. DLL crashes in Math.NET project. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we get into the technical process for MathNet Numerics Library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the MathNet Numerics Library, a popular .NET library for advanced numerical computing, algebra, statistics, FFT. It is a mandatory dependency for hundreds of scientific modeling and engineering tools. If missing, the application will crash, citing an assembly load failure, preventing any complex mathematical data processing. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. If your software is failing because of MathNet Numerics Library DLL, the internal file mapping for Math.NET project is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program showing the error will re-register the library and fix the error. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including MathNet Numerics Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install MathNet Numerics Library DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and MathNet Numerics library synchronization. If this diagnostic helped you resolve MathNet Numerics library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.